What is up, everybody? Sysadmin Sean here with a quick news update. Not a real big deal, but some people are talking about it, so I thought I'd cover it real fast too. It looks like Copilot is getting installed on Windows Server, but obviously you can remove it. Now, it's not that Copilot in any sort of large situation is getting installed. It's actually just a piece of Microsoft Edge browser that's getting tucked in there. As you can see from this website, they go over it a little bit. You know, there's a way to turn it off. You can go through GPO to turn it off, but it is showing up. It showed up on one of my servers as an April 15th update that got thrown in there. But again, don't panic. It's just being added to Edge. So if you just want to remove it, you can go ahead and remove it. It's only 8K. I recommend, if you're at all concerned, it's not really going to be doing anything. But if you are concerned at all, you can go in there and uninstall it real quick. No big deal. It won't break anything. And yeah, that's about it. So enjoy the little bit of news and keep your eye on your Windows updates because you never know what they're going to stick in there next. Later, and we'll see you in the next one.